Talia, I am Tiana.
And more out at Winton School, called Gibby, I am Gibby.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phrase is Rutua,
Which is te reo for tackle.
Bye! Just joking, get up here.
Yeah.
Kapai, onto the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 12 until 2.
It's been great to see you all wearing your potae. Hey, where's your hat?
Anna,
Here's one.
put your sun hat on, put it on your head, otherwise you'll turn red. Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school, but Mr Wadsworth is still waiting for all of us to be wearing them.
Calling all of the year 3s and 4s, rugby stars who are the Winton Panthers and the Winton Tigers touch teams, can you please meet your coaches Sarah, Talia and Owen and Archie with your lunch outside room 8, ready for a quick training.
The Tidest classes for this week's were general play for room 4 and 3. Well done, guys.
Fun run. Winton School, this is your last week to be getting your training in so you can beat the teachers. Hope you are training hard.
Come on, students, work hard. Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. Whoa.
Now that's it for today from everyone here at the NEW's news team. Ka kite popo, see you tomorrow.
Hi, and stay sharp with the school.